Hi, in this video I would like to share a little about the environment's effect upon our aura. So at the moment I'm just standing here with a more or less natural aura and observe more or less the speed of the energy flow in the aura. And then later I will start using some crystals and amulets which will change the energy flow in the aura. So the first object I will use is a labradorite. This stone. And as you will notice, the energy is still flowing through the aura, but it becomes a little bit slower, a little bit more like molasses instead of water. And for me it gives a feeling of rest, of relaxation. So now I will use another typical protective stone, the tourmaline. The tourmaline is often used to help people protect themselves against electro smog when they work a lot with computers or cell phones, things like this. As you will see, it has a much stronger effect on the aura. But also for me at least, it gives also a feeling of being more or less dragged down, being a little bit more tired, but also more grounded. So then I will show a selenite, which is also quite useful against electrosmog. As you can see, the selenite is in a way causing me to react differently to the radiation in my environment, but still allowing my energy to move more or less normally. So it is changing my natural defenses. Besides using crystals, it's also possible to use amulets for protection. Here I have a pentagram. As you can see, the pentagram itself also causes a change in the structure of the aura. Because the structure of the pentagram is in a way mirrored in the aura, so the aura kind of becomes full of pentagram-like structures, of little stable kernels of elements. So it is a little bit like having the typical tank traps, where you have lots of unbreakable obstacles around, and you can go around in between the obstacles, but you cannot go through them very easily. So it turns a little bit the aura into a maze. So this is a strengthening amulet. And if you look at the effect on the aura, you will notice that the structure of the aura becomes very different and much more reactive. And this is much more of an active defense mechanism, while the other ones were more passive defense mechanisms. And this is some gold. Gold is often used for protection, just like silver. But personally I prefer gold. As you can see, it's not so much blocking the aura, but rather dealing with the disharmonies which are resulting from energies impacting upon it. So you could say it's more of a medic, a healing system. Here we have some copper. As you can see, the copper has a rather unique effect. So rather than simply healing it more or less blindly, it is allowing other forces to work upon me. So if you're looking for a more active cooperation with, for instance, your power animals or your spirit guides, then copper can be a very good tool. Now I will invite the earth to manifest a few different energies to demonstrate a little bit on how they will change the aura. So there are, in a way, relaxing earth energies and there are stressing earth energies. So first I will invite a stressing earth energy. I'll step into it. So personally I now get the sensation of being very attentive, very focused, very driven. And the aura tends to contract a little. So I will now dismiss this earth energy again and invite a relaxing earth energy. And now I will step into that. Now I have a sense of expansion. Energy flowing out and away from me. And relaxation, hard to keep focus. So these energies occur naturally in people's houses, and depending on where you are in the house, you will probably be closer to one or the other, and as a result you will be changed by these earth's forces. And if you organize your house in such a way that you're trying to sleep where there's a relaxing energy, work where there's a stressing energy, you can benefit from them. If you do it the other way around, you tend to suffer from it. Okay, I hope this has given you a little bit of insight into how different materials around us will change our aura and the energy flow in our auras and also in our bodies.